Types of linkage, mainly two types. They are incomplete linkage and complete linkage. Based on the linkage percentage, the linkage mainly two types. They are incomplete linkage and complete linkage. Incomplete linkage explained by Hutchinson, scientist in GMAs. This incomplete linkage is also example for crossing over, evidence of crossing over. So first we discussed about incomplete linkage in GMAs. It explained by Hutchinson scientist. It is the selected two parental GMAs plants are in homozygotic condition. One parental GMAs plant containing dominant genes. They are capital C capital S slash capital C capital S. Capital C gene belongs to colored scenes and capital S gene expressed full endosperm character. And these plants crossed with recessive homozygotic GMAs plants. The recessive homozygotic GMA plants containing small c small s slash small c small s genes. Small c gene expressed colorless seeds and small s gene expressed shrunken endosperm. These two parental plants are selected from the GMAs plants. These are act as a parental plants. From these two parental plants, two different types of gametes are developed. From one dominant parental plant, capital C capital S gamete, from recessive parental plant, small c small s gamete are developed. These two gametes are fertilized to form F1 generation. In F1 generation, heterozygotic plants are formed. Heterozygotic GMAs plants are formed. The heterozygotic GMAs plants are crossed with recessive homozygotic GMAs plant called test cross. It is the F1 generation is in heterozygotic condition. It containing capital C capital S, small c small s, means dominant genes are present, including recessive genes also present in the F1 generation plants. The character of phenotypic is colored seeds with full endosperm. Colored seeds with full endosperm. Here it is. The F1 generation produced four different types of gametes. From these four different types of gametes, two gametes are similar to the parental gametes. That gamete characters are similar to parental characters. They are capital C capital S, small c small s. And the remaining two gametes are developed by crossing over. Crossing over will occur between the two chromosomes. If the chromosomes are containing long length of arms, the long length of arms are close to each other. During the crossing over between the two chromosomes, capital X-like structure will be appeared. The capital X-like structure is called chiasma. The chiasma cut into parts by endonuclease enzymes. Cut into parts by endonuclease enzyme. And these cutting parts of chromosomes, they are ligased by the ligase enzyme. Finally, the genetic material exchanged between the two chromosomes by the crossing over. The genetic material exchanged by the crossing over. During the crossing over, chiasma-like structures are appeared between the two chromosomes. The chiasma-like structures are cut into fragments by endonuclease enzymes. The cutting parts of chromosomes are ligased by the ligase enzymes. By the ligation, two different types of gametes are formed in the F2 generation. So these F2 gametes from F1 gametes, they can produce new recombinants in the F2 generations. So these four gametes are crossed with recessive homozygotic parental plant gamete to form four phenotypes. Finally, in F2 generation, 4 phenotypes are identified. From these 4 phenotypes, 2 phenotypes are in large number. 2 phenotypes are in large number. They are similar to the parental phenotypes. They are similar to the parental phenotypes. And 2 phenotypes are in less number. They called recombinant phenotypes or new offspring phenotypes. Finally, in F2 generation, total plants of GM is 8,368 plants are observed in the F2 generation. 8,368 plants are observed in the F2 generation. From these 8,368, 4,032 plants are capital C, capital S character. Capital C, capital S character means colored seeds with full endosperm. And 4,035 plants. 4,035 plants are containing small c, small s character. Small c, small s means colorless seeds with shrunken endosperm. These are developed in the large number. Out of 8,368, 4,032 plants are dominant character genotypes and 4,035 plants are recessive characters of the phenotypes, parental generations, and 2 phenotypes are recombinants. The recombinants are in less number. They are developed by the crossing over. Here it is, from 8,368, 149 plants are containing capital C small s gene. Capital C small s gene means capital C character is colored seeds, small s gene character is shrunken endosperm. These are developed in 149 number. And 152 are small c capital S. Small c means coloredless seeds, capital S means full endosperm. These are developed in 152 number. These are the phenotypes, recombinant phenotypes. Here it is the parental generations. We observed linkage percentage by the 2 formulas. Parental generations are capital C, capital S, small c, small s. Here it is capital C, capital S means colored seeds with full endosperm plants are 48. 48.2. 48.2. How to gain this value? Here it is phenotypes. Phenotypes by total generation into 100. Phenotypes by total generation into 100. The phenotypes, parental generation phenotypes are capital C, capital S. They are developed in 4,032. The 4,032 by 8,368 into 100. The value is 48.2. And the next small c, small s. The small c, small s value identified 48.2. Here it is small c, small s means colorless seeds with shrunken endosperm. These are developed in 4,035 plants. Here it is offspring percentage is equal to 4,035 by 8,368 into 100. The value is 48.2. Finally, the parental generation phenotype characters are added. The parental phenotypes characters are 96.4. Here it is 96.4 is a generation, parental phenotype generation. Here it is, the parental phenotype generation is also called linkage percentage. What we explained in the beginning of class, if the linkage percentage is 100, they can produce only parental generations. If the linkage percent is below 100, here it is below 100 means here it is 96.4. So it is below 100. At that time they can produce new offsprings. Here it is offsprings are capital C, small s. These are developed 1.5 percentage. And small c, capital S plants are developed 1.5 percentage. Here it is, we can get values. Offspring percentage is equal to total generation by into total generation into 100. Here it is, what are offspring percentage? 149 by 8,368 into 100. The value is 1.5. Here also 152 by 8,368 into 100. The value is 1.5. Here it is, the 1.5 value is exact value is 3.6 exact value. Here it is, we can get to small minute values also, we can 0.6 values also we can identify. Here it is, what is the linkage percentage? 96.4. Offspring percentage 3.6 percentage. Here it is, between the chromosome, on the chromosome between the genes, 3.6 units are present. 3.6 units are present. So these are participated in the crossing over. They can produce new offsprings. See children, in this value only 3 value given. 3.0 is given. Exact value is linkage percentage, means 100 minus 96.4. 100 minus 96.4. The exact value is 3.6. Here it is, 3 value is given, but the offspring percentage value is 3.6 value. How to get these value? 100 minus 100 is the exact linkage percentage. 100 minus 96.4. The value of offsprings 3.6. Here it is, 3.6 value is given by the incomplete linkage. So they can produce less number of new offsprings in the F2 generations. We can get chromosomal map also. We can get chromosomal map. On the chromosome only 2 genes are present. On these 2 genes, between these 2 genes, 3.6 units are present. 3.6 units are present. It is also best example for evidence of crossing over, and also 2-point test cross. 2-point test cross is the best example. See children, incomplete linkage is example for identification of crossing over, and also incomplete linkage is example for 2-point test cross. What is mean of 2-point test cross? On the chromosomes only 2 genes are present. So between the 2 genes, test cross will be appeared, called 2-point test cross. It is also best example for 2-point test cross. Here it is, on these 2-point test cross, we can get idea about the chromosomal map. On the chromosome only 2 genes are present on the locus. Between the 2 genes, 3.6 units are present. 3.6 units distance are present. So they can produce in less number of phenotypes in the F2 generation. So it is incomplete linkage. Now next we discussed about complete linkage. Here it is, complete linkage explained with Drosophila. There is no offsprings. Means here it is, in this type linkage, exact linkage percentage is 100. So the exact linkage percentage is 100. They cannot produce new offsprings in the F2 generation, new recombinants in the F2 generations. It explained with example of Drosophila. Here it is, the parental Drosophilas are containing 2 types of genes and 2 types of the phenotypes. One Drosophila containing homozygotic dominant genes, another Drosophila containing recessive homozygotic genes. The dominant Drosophila, homozygotic dominant Drosophila containing capital B, capital V genes. Capital B, capital V slash capital B, capital V. B gene expressed black body and V expressed long wings. Black body with long wings. It is one type of parental Drosophila, dominated parental Drosophila. Another one is recessive parental Drosophila. It containing small b, small v slash small b, small v genes. Small b expressed gray color body, small v expressed short wings. These 2 Drosophilas are act as a parental Drosophilas. From dominant parental Drosophila, one gamete is developed, that is capital B, capital V, and a recessive parental Drosophila produced small b, small v gamete. These 2 gametes are fertilized to form F1 generation. In F1 generation, heterozygotic Drosophilas are formed. The heterozygotic Drosophilas are containing capital B, capital V slash small b, small v. These are expressed phenotypic character is black body with long wings. These are crossed with complete homozygotic recessive parental plant called test cross. Here it is, from the F1 generation, only 2 types of gametes are developed. The 2 types of gametes are similar to the parental gametes. One gamete is capital B, capital V. It is one type of parental gamete character, and another gamete is small b, small v. It is another type of parental gamete. Only two gametes are developed from the F1 generation. Why they produced only two gametes means between the capital V genes, capital B, capital V genes, the linkage percentage is exact 100. So they cannot produce new recombinant gametes in the F1 generation. So the linkage percentage is exact 100. So they can produce only parental gametes, parental phenotypic gametes. The parental phenotypes gametes are two only. These are crossed with test cross to form only two phenotypes in the F2 generation. Two phenotypes in the F2 generation. We can identify in F2 generation 50% of Drosophila are containing one parental character, and remaining 50% of Drosophila are containing another parental characters. So in F2 generation only parental phenotypes are appeared. There is no new recombinants. There is no new recombinants in the F2 generation. So based on this experiment, between capital B, capital V genes, the linkage percentage is exact 100. So they cannot produce new offsprings in the F2 generation. They can produce only parental generation in F2 generation. This type of linkage is called complete linkage. It is before this linkage, incomplete linkage. In incomplete linkage, it is linkage percentage is not 100. It below the 100. 96.4 means below the 100. They can produce new offsprings. So new offsprings are developed in the incomplete linkage. How much they developed by the 3.6 units. Between capital C, capital S genes, 3.6 units are present distance. So they can produce less number of new recombinants in the F2 generation.